Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a script to align objects to the ground in the editor. Hey guys, Master here from Master Games, and today we will be making a script to align an object to the ground automatically from the inspector here. Okay, so first we're going to make a folder named editor, which I've already made, and then we're going to make a new script. So we're going to make the script and we're going to call it align with, take my caps locks off, align with ground. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of our start and update functions. And we're going to add the Unity editor namespace using Unity editor. So first off, we're going to make a menu item. So I can never tell with these stupid angle brackets. Okay. Menu item. Bracket. Menu. Hold up, yeah, fix that problem. Menu item. So tools / transform tools / align, and then we're gonna make a key code. So to do that, we just go % for control and T. So that'll be control T will activate this next block of code, which is our align with ground code. So static void align with ground. Why is it come? Oh, we'll call it align to ground because it's playing up with our class name. There we go. So we're going to make an array of transforms. We're going to call it transforms, and that is going to be equal to their selection in the inspector. So it's selection.transforms. Then we're going to loop through all the transforms and align them. So to do that, we're going to make a for each loop, and we go for each transform, my transform in transforms. There we go. So in here we're going to go and make a raycast hit variable. So raycast hit. Then we're going to make our raycast. So if physics dot raycast, and we are going to use from our position my transform dot position. The direction I think is next, which is -3 vector 3 up. And then we've got to out our hat, so out hat. So inside this block of code, we've got to go vector 3 dot vector 3 target position is equal to hit dot point. Oh, not hit dot point. Then we got to see if we have a mesh filter. So if my transform dot get component mesh filter is not equal to null, Then we're going to run this block of code. So first of all, we need to make a variable for a bounds. So bounds, bounds is equal to my transform dot get component mesh filter dot shared mesh dot bounds then we're going to set our target position, which is target position dot y, which is plus equal to bounds dot extents dot y. So we'll close this go after this if function and go my transform dot position is equal to target position vector 3 target rotation is equal to a new vector 3 which is hit dot normal dot x my transform dot Euler angles dot y and hit dot normal dot z. Go back in that. Next we're gonna go and put our target rotation in. So my transform dot Euler angles is equal to target rotation. Close that and save that. Now let's just switch back to Unity. Wait for the script to load. So what that should do is to grab this object and align it to the ground. So we'll go. We'll see if we can get a better angle than that. So we'll go Tools, Transform Tools, Align, and there we go. We're aligned perfectly to the ground. If you have a character controller and connected to this, it won't fall through the ground. It will just stay there. So if we go, if we add a rigid body, a component, rigid body, and click play, it will still be sitting perfectly on the ground. If it decides to play, you can't even see it in camera. That's why. We're even facing the wrong way. Rotation. There we go. It will still be perfectly on the ground. This will only work for components with a mesh renderer. So if it takes your mesh filter, and it gets half of the size of the mesh filter, and then pluses the transform rotation, and then pluses the transform rotation by half of its size. So we could get any object, like we could add in a cube. So let's go game objects, 3D objects, cube. We can go to our cube, which is not aligned to the ground, and we can go Control T and it'll be lined up with the ground. Cool. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope this tool does a lot of great things for you. I've found it really handy, so I hope you guys find it handy too. Thank you. Bye.